dry. Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile.
Hey there everyone, welcome back to Ursula's Farmhouse Kitchen, and today, as promised, I would like to reset my refrigerator. It's been about a month. The last time I reset my refrigerator was the week of Christmas. So it's been about a month, and I've already saved you some time by taking everything out of my fridge. And I've just taken pictures of everything out here. If you can't see it, I'll have some of those pictures in a few minutes. So anyway, I'm gonna open my fridge. Well, mostly everything's out. I still have some condiments right up here that I haven't taken out. But my main goal is to wipe down everything, especially this section here. And you may be able to see there's some, it looks like grape juice. This is cranberry juice that spilled in my refrigerator the week of Christmas. It was some recipes that I was making, and I had laid down the jug of cranberry juice sideways. Don't ever do that with juice. It spilled everywhere, and I had just done a full refrigerator reset like a couple of days before that. So I could have just croaked. So what I'm gonna do is clean the best I can. This cranberry juice is between the glass, and I really need to get a screwdriver and my husband to help me take all of this apart again. He had done that in December to help me the first time the cranberry juice spilled, and I should not have put it even back in the refrigerator because you see it spilled again. So I am going to be wiping down the inside the best I can, and then I'm going to use this shelf liner and put it all across here and all across here and probably all across here too, to help with spills so that we won't have this happen again. But this Samsung refrigerator is really hard to, take the glass out here. You have to have a screwdriver, and I'm not up for that part of it today. So I'm gonna clean, and I'm gonna put shelf liner.
Do you know?
I'm just going to use some Odoban disinfectant today.
And we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever.
I woke up in the middle of the night. Na, na, na. and I wondered how you're always right. It gets me. I couldn't.
The last time I did a refrigerator reset, I used these drying cloths or mats, and I placed them in here to cover up the cranberry juice spills. And honestly, it did work well because it covered up all the juice stains that were on this particular shelf. But, you know, this is not waterproof. This is made out of cloth. So I would not advise using cloth because, you know, I could still have spills and everything. And all these, although these are washable, it will be better to use a waterproof material such as this. So I'm going to use the non-slip shelf liner, and I'm going to measure it a little bit and start cutting this.
It is hard to share my thoughts. Ooh, na na na. It's like cutting a wound in a bleeding heart. It gets me. But I know that you need it all. Ooh, na na na. Just give me some time, 'cause I need to know that you're staying. When I look back, I can see you're hiding, waiting for a moment to step in. And I'll never understand how you saw it coming. Oh, but I will love you for it all. When I look back, I can see you're hiding, waiting for a moment to step in. And I'll never understand how you saw it coming. Oh, but I will love you for it all. When I look back, I can see you're hiding, waiting for a moment to step in. Oh, and I'll never understand how you saw it coming. Oh, but I will love you for it all. Yeah, I will love you for it all.
Still remember when you walked into the room. Think I knew right then that it was always you. Something in your eyes, it was all so true. Every step I took, they all led to you. We were young and running free. We were never meant to be, but I could not see you go. 'Cause of you, don't wanna waste another minute without you. And I will love you in the dark. And if you ever fall out, please don't leave me out. 'Cause I will love you till I'm gone. If you just hold on. If you just hold on. Don't think I could ever love the way you do. I'll try to make it up if you need me
so sure that all I ever wanted was to give you more. 'Cause if it all were up to me, we would always stay this free, and I would never let you go. 'Cause of you, don't wanna waste another minute without you. I will love you in the dark, and if you ever fall out, please don't leave me out, 'cause I will love you till I'm gone. If you just hold on, say it ain't so, say you won't go. I will love you in the dark, I will never let it go. Say it ain't so.
Here are our yogurts. See, I am trying to eat healthier. These are yogurts. That's the key lime flavor and the peanut butter cup. We like to get the flavored ones. And some light sour cream and cream cheese spread and some onion dip. And I like to make mini charcuterie, so I like to have little cubes of cheese and little cubes of hard salami. And then I have refrigerated bagels and English muffins. Okay. Some salsa. Some pizza sauce. And here's my container for my condiments for one of the containers. And I had just wiped it out a few days ago, so I didn't have to wipe that one out today. And here are our salad dressings. Okay, I'm trying to see if there's anything. Okay, there's a grapefruit that I need to eat. I'll put it right here. Half of it was eaten this morning with 2 pieces of bacon, so that, to me, that was a healthy breakfast. The bacon was regular bacon and not turkey bacon, though. But the grapefruit was a good choice. All right, and here's some of this dry salami, so that would be right in there with that stuff. And these things did not fit, so I'll have to put them up here. Okay, it's looking better, y'all. And I'm gonna take this out and replace everything back in there neatly, because I've got to clean this. But I'll save your time for that. And a few jellies. So I think everything's looking a lot better. We do have, it seems like we have lots and lots of things in jars, like mustard, ketchup, sauces and all. We always do. We always have a lot of those items. All right, I'm gonna wipe this off again because I see, you know, streaks. So I'm gonna use a window cleaner. I've already tossed the things that I needed to from those drawers, so don't worry. It has been thrown away. My cream cheese and my butter. I like to be able to get my eyes on those and not have to look for them. Pie shells and my pasta that I've already opened. I probably should get an egg container because I always have at least 2 cartons. There. Some of my cheeses, my peppers. I really like my peppers to be in the door because of the vinegar. And with it being wintertime, make sure that you clean off your refrigerator handles and light switches, doorknobs, because people are getting sick and they're coming and going at your house. And, you know, you just want to try to keep germs at bay if you can. So every time you can try to clean them off, that will be a great idea. That looks a lot better to me. Yay. There's Gracie. Gracie, quiet down. Okay, that's that. And now I'm gonna try to start mopping now. Oh goodness, I have forgotten a few other things I've got to put away. All right, and this up here, I like to, this refrigerator is kind of shaped funny, so you just have to decide what you want to put in these little sections. I like to put my extracts, my coconut and lemon extract up here in this little section. You can put your minced garlic and water. Pimento. Olives. More garlic. And I really prefer fresh garlic. And y'all seen that from my videos. There's another jelly. Pet supplies that have to be refrigerated, like for ear infections. I like to put those in there where I can see them. Stanley's diabetic, so his insulin has to be refrigerated. Okay, and there's a few items I'm going to throw away. Now I'm going to move on to mopping. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I run my Tenco. This is a electric vacuum. Well, it's a cordless vacuum and mop together, and I really have been loving it. I've had it about a year now, and before you use it each time, there is a little container that you have to fill with water. It has a fill line, and you're supposed to put really hot water, and so I do. We have We have very hot water at our kitchen sink. We just have an extra little button we can mash for that, you know, like to make hot tea or instant coffee or whatnot. So I use my instant hot water button for this. And you only have to put one little container full of the Tenco cleaning solution. And y'all, I've been using this for a very long time. Like, this is the only bottle I've ever bought, and it's still about up to here because you only use a little bit. And you also get a trial package when you get the vacuum cleaner. I got mine at Walmart, and I'm not in the partner program yet, but I could give you just a regular link. I don't get commission for this, but I have just enjoyed it so much. The only thing you have to remember is to make sure that you empty this each time, and you will empty this after you've mopped about 3 or 4 rooms. But I also have to make sure that this container is emptied each time. It will start to smell because it's going to have nasty water and trash in it if you don't dump it. So I like to go outside to do this because, you know, it might possibly clog up your toilet if you've got a lot of hair and stuff in there. So I just take mine outside and dump it, and then I rinse it out really good and let it air dry. So anyway, I just wanted to give y'all those tips. This is a great little device. Okay, here we go.
And I wondered how you're always right. It gets me. I couldn't see what you saw in me. Ooh, na na na. But you showed me how to believe. Still gets me. I can see you're hiding, waiting for a moment to step in. And I'll never understand how you saw it coming. Oh, but I will love you for it all. Yeah, I will love you for it all. It is hard to share my thoughts. Ooh, na na na. It's like cutting a wound in a bleeding heart. It gets me. But I know that you need it all. Ooh, na na na. Just give me some time, 'cause I need to know that you're staying. When I look back, I can see you're hiding, waiting for a moment to step in. And I'll never understand how you saw it coming. Oh, but I will love you for it all. When I look back, I can see you're hiding, waiting for a moment to step in. Oh, and I'll never understand how you saw it coming. Oh, but I will love you for it all. Yeah, I will love